I'm not really hungry right now. Sorry, bugs. No, I'm not with Joey. I'm at my client's house. So I'm with Judge Webb in Warren County. You can look him up. Oh, sorry. Let me show you, Judge. Do you see him? That's Watson. That's Watson. Do you see him? Yeah, I don't know. He's kind of cute. Oh, there you go. Let's go. He's aggressive, so that's why I'm staying here. He's a fluffer. Oh, she said you're a fluff. Let's go. Come on. He doesn't want to come down. He heard me scream and yell. There you go. Woo, 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 woo. There you go. Good evening. There you go. Ooh, let's go. There you go. Hey, I went into a live with everybody that told me that I was too much. Dora, the Explorer. Okay, well then,